Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company, and welcome to Wow, the weight of watches. So we have the Rolex Beta-21. This is the Rolex 5100, 1,000 pieces made from 1970 to 1972, a true vintage piece. It is also Rolex certified pre-owned with a 2-year warranty, and more than that, a product of the Rolex Restoration Atelier. So we're going to start with our Rolex certified pre-owned hang tag right here. We're going to throw that on the scale. Now we're going to subtract it with a tare. We're going to put the watch in place, the moment of truth for the big piece. This came out in 1970, full gold, full bracelet. It is an impressive machine. And you could see 209.09 grams. So this is the 5100 Texan, and if you are flexing with the Texan, that is how much you will have to flex. For those of you out in the world who are wondering, let me show you the number of links in the bracelet to settle that score. If you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.